Okay, here we have example number 2. And just real quick, we have the estimate, and then above it, we have its supplement. This is on a 2010 Mercury Milan. Supplement is on the same vehicle, a 2010 Mercury Milan. The original estimate amount is $2,030.06. That's after deductible, the numbers that we work with. The supplement is $5,405.62. The original estimate is only 37.75% of the final estimate. The final estimate is 62.24% more than the original, or the original amount times 2.66. I'd like to point out to people who get their first check in cash, as I believe this customer could have gotten. He didn't, but he owned the vehicle outright, so it's very likely he could have gotten it. But if you accept that original amount, in this scenario, you would be accepting only 37.75% of your total damages.